Hey guys! Welcome back to i-clickads channel. Today's video is about unboxing, and a review of one of the best sink draining shelf dish rack, available in the market. The review highlights the best features that make this product unique. If you need more information about this product, please check the link in the description section below. If you have any questions, please leave us a message in the comments section and we will get back to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. Done. Let's dive into our unboxing video. Done with the unboxing. Let's review the product in terms of its best features. What makes stainless steel kitchen dish rack storage unique? Dish racks have become an essential product in everybody's kitchen as it offers great benefits. For a proper arrangement of dishes, it is a well-designed piece that can be kept in your kitchen. This sink draining shelf dish rack measures 85 by 65 centimeters. Following is the list of the best product features. Number 1. Partition storage. The collection arrangement improves the cleaning efficiency by 50%, liberates the sink with large capacity, and makes your kitchen tidier. Number 2. Drain and breathable. Ventilation and drainage drain excess water quickly and keep it dry and clean, thus eliminating the growth of bacteria. Number 3. Tool storage. It has a hanging tool holder design that saves space, durable and clean. Number 4. Anti-skid foot seat. It has a bottle suction cup feed, non-slip and durable. Number 5. Ergonomic design. This increases the safety and comfort of the product. Number 6. Large capacity design. Practicality is the last word. The cassette stacking design is safer, drains quickly, and eliminates bacteria. It has a hanging basket, bowls racks, dish holder, detergent holder, chopsticks holder, kitchen knife stand, chopping board rack, removable hook, and fruit basket. Number 7. Sturdy. Can hold up to 80 kilograms. Strong load-bearing capacity, stable, and not shaking. Number 8. Easy to assemble and can be arranged according to your habits. Flexible and convenient. Number 9. It is a 100% quality product. The material is made from premium stainless steel. What about the purchase information? Where can you buy this ergonomic design stainless steel kitchen dish rack, and how much? You can order this product from different online shopping platforms. Please use the link below in the description box in this video. By clicking the link you can see the updated price, offers and place your order. I hope the information in this video helps. If you like this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.